Hey there, and how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is Cracks in Time. I am your succulent and lavish host, Rick. Today I bring you another special limited G-Shock release, the GW-6905K-7A, ICERC, G-Shock, Love the Sea and Earth 2025 collaboration. So ICERC is a Japanese environmental education group. I don't really know much about them, honestly. I didn't know anything about them until I got into G-Shocks about 3 months ago. And that's a whole other story for a whole other time, because 3 months ago I had 0 G-Shocks, and less than 3 months later, I have a YouTube channel for G-Shocks and I'm unboxing G-Shocks. So that may point to a deeper issue that I have. But ICERC, on the other hand, not me. ICERC is an environmental education group based out of Japan. The first ICERC G-Shock collaboration was in 1994, the GW-6100DW-9. And it's now become an annual collaboration with G-Shock, which for the most part it's a Japanese exclusive, but some do become available at the various G-Shock flagship stores around the world. I don't know if you're able to guess based on my accent, but I obtained mine at the G-Shock Soho store in New York City. I love that place. I make a pilgrimage there every week lately. And I don't see that stopping anytime soon. Shout out to all the guys that work there and gals. So last year's ICERC collaboration featured 3 watches: a Square, a Frogman, and the GW-6904K-7JR. I really liked the way that one looked. And not having a 6900 until recently, I was going to pull the trigger on that one on eBay, but I decided against it. When I heard this one was coming out in Japan, I figured it wouldn't come here. So I went and I bought this GW-6900 from Amazon about 2-3 weeks ago. It was on sale, $89. You can't beat that. So I jumped into the 6900 realm, not expecting this to come here to this country, to make it to these shores. And it did. And I was very lucky to get one. So this year, there's 2 watches in the collab. There's this 6905, and then there's also a baby G model. Today, obviously, we're here focusing on this 6905. So, without further ado, we can get to it. And by the way, let's go over the packaging here first before we do that. We have the Love the Sea and the Earth logo, branded. You know, looks. Oh yeah, there you go. Nice picture of the whale with some grass underwater. I would hope. All right, so it's a Japanese release. So you have the Japanese literature. You have your 3547 module in this. Some sort of QR code there. All right. There's a box within a box. Okay. All right. It's another. Oh, nice. This is nice. This is nicer than. This is almost as nice as the MRG I have, but did I say MRG? Foolish man. MTG. I wish. So yeah, this is all right. Comes in a burlap sack of some sort. Much better, much cooler packaging than the domestic releases we get. There we go. Lovely. Here you have your fully featured 6900, GW-6900, multiband 6. Wow, nice. Multiband 6, tough solar. You have your Love the Sea and the Earth branding, your ICERC branding. Nice dark blue on the face. Let's get a little more light there. Flip it over here. This module is great. It has the 5 alarms. It has, I believe, 31 time zones, 49 cities, world time. It doesn't have a, it has a basic stopwatch and timer. Oh yeah, there we go. This is based on the humpback whale, as you could see. The whale emblem is on the light button. It is on the keeper. And let's see if we can see this here. It is on the backlight, which is an auto backlight as well, which is very cool. LED backlight, not electroluminescence anymore, as we know. This watch is really nice. Let's do a wrist check in a sec. Let me try to get this off here if I can. There we go. I shouldn't have ripped that. Very lovely watch. It's my first G-Shock that's white. It's not all white. It's got that nice blue strap, the white keeper. It's very nice. Real striking. It'll go with anything. I wear a lot of black. I don't know if it'll really go with black with the blue band, but it looks nice. So before we finish up here, I just wanted to thank you for watching this video, for checking out this channel, and for giving me a shot. I want to let everybody know that I'm going to be producing quality G-Shock content. Coming up, there's going to be a giveaway for a vintage GW-5600. I'm not going to say exactly what it is, but in the coming days and weeks, there'll be more about it. The giveaway will come together shortly. I'll tell you how to enter. It's going to be very simple. But if you could give me a like on this video, a comment, and more importantly, subscribe to the channel, that would be greatly appreciated. I'll be back soon with more videos. Keep your eyes and ears peeled. Have a good one. How you doing?